This is Swapnil, and today we are going to discuss about the book list for CAP Paper 2 and subsequent approach for CAP Paper 2. Let's see book list. The first one is Guidebook by Mission CAP Hub. In Guidebook, you will get the detailed approach about every section of Paper 2, that is essay, argument, report writing, precise, comprehension, and grammar. Okay, you will also get the analysis of respective topic there. Okay, so download guidebook from link given below. Next one is that the Vision IS Current Affair Monthly Magazine from July 2020 to this year June 2021. As we analyze the past 5 to 6 years question papers, paper to question papers, you will get to know that the question in essay, argument, and report writing section, um, which based on the current affair issues, so that we have to cover current affair from Vision Ice magazine, most of the question from current affair. Next one is that internal security, because CAPF main work of CAPF is for internal security. So you have to prepare internal security very well. The one of the best book that is internal security by Ashok Kumar. You have to read that one. Next one is the grammar. For grammar, you have to read the Objective General English book by SP Bakshi, or for Maharashtra student they can go for a Balasaheb Shinde. Okay, English grammar book. How to approach Yelgar daily answer writing initiative for paper 2. In paper 2, the main thing is that you have to practice more. Okay, this is the best approach to get the highest marks in paper 2. Okay, for that you have to write daily. Okay, it will help to manage your time in final exam. It will help to brainstorm. It will help to write in proper format. Okay, then how to approach the different section. Okay, like essay, argument, report writing, precise, and comprehension. For proper approach of essay, argument, report writing, precise, comprehension, and grammar, okay, you have to refer guidebook. In that guidebook, we have discussed it in detail. Okay, so refer that one. The next one is that in our Yelgar program, okay, which is a daily answer writing practice program based on proper schedule. Okay, we have segregated proper schedule based on last 5 to 6 years analysis, and on that basis we have segregated static topic, current topic, and in that we will cover it subsequently in next 10 weeks. Okay, for essay, argument, report writing, precise, comprehension, and grammar, you have to practice it regularly. Okay, the next one is that one of the important one aspects, that is note making. Okay, for essay and argument. Okay, for example, let's see. Okay, in say paper 2 we have segregated these 8 topics for essay and argument section. UPSC asked UPSC previously asked question on these 8 section in essay and argument based on some current affair issues or some static topics. Okay, so we have segregated that one. For example, agriculture, economy, education, women, personality based, security based, political, environmental issues, and other miscellaneous current affair based topic. Okay, so we will cover it in every week. For example, in case of agriculture, UPSC asked 3 question on agriculture in last 5 years. Okay, these all 3 questions based on current affair issues, like sustainable farming is a need of our. Okay, the rhetoric promise, farm ever. Okay, and then next one is farm state. So here you will get to know that all the questions, okay, from agriculture section, okay, uh, were based on current affair issues. So we have prepared such current affair based issues related to agriculture, so you have to practice that in Yelgar. We will give you the sources how to prepare this section. You have to write. We will provide you the questions. Okay, you have to write that one, and we again provide you the model answer for uh, that respective questions. Okay, for example, the current issue related to agriculture like doubling farm income, gm gm crop, agri and redress, feminism, agriculture reform, organic farming, second green revolution, or food security, farm mechanization. Okay, like that. Okay, so in that we will cover the each section. Okay, holistically, like for same for economy, same for education and women, personality based topics, security based topic, political and environment. Okay, in that we will cover static and current affair topics in our Yelgar program. Okay, next one is the how to proceed Yelgar. Okay, you have to write daily for next 10 weeks. Okay, you have to follow daily targets for next 10 weeks. Okay, इसमें आपको कोई गैप नहीं देना है, आपको डेली लिखना है। डेली लिखने के बाद आपको क्या करना है? ओके, यू हैव टू सेल्फ योर आंसर बेस्ड ऑन आवर मॉडल आंसर्स। ओके, वी विल प्रोवाइड यू मॉडल आंसर्स for each topic. You have to refer that one, you have to analyze your strong points or your weak points, your mistakes, and you have to improve that subsequently. Okay, in next day. Okay, this is very important aspects. And daily note making activity for paper 2. Okay, this is one of the important aspect for note making. You have to make a separate book. Okay, in that you have to divide that notebook into 8 sections, like agriculture, economy, education and women, personality based, security based, political, environmental and other. Okay, so इसमें आपको क्या करना है, एक एक सेक्शन में आप 10-15 पेज दे सकते हो। ओके, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट सेक्शन, ऐसे करके आप 8 सेक्शन का जो पेपर 2 का नोटबुक बना सकते हो। इसमें और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ क्या है, इसमें आपको जो जो फैक्ट्स है, डाटा है, जो केस स्टडीज है, जो एग्जांपल्स है, इसमें आपको एग्रीकल्चर का जो रहेगा डाटा फैक्ट्स। ओके, एग्जांपल इसको एग्रीकल्चर के पॉइंट में आपको लिखना है। इकोनॉमी का जो भी करंट बेसिस पे जो भी डाटा फैक्ट रहेगा, केस स्टडी रहेगा, वो आपको इकोनॉमी सेक्शन में लिखना है। ठीक है, एजुकेशन का रहेगा, एजुकेशन का वुमन का कोट रहेगा। ओके, उसके ऊपर कोट्स रहते हैं। ठीक है, तो वो भी आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है। ठीक है, तो इससे क्या होगा, आपको एक सेग्रीगेटेड पेपर 2 का जो मटेरियल बन जाएगा। आपको इसमें आपको जो डेली जो टारगेट दिए जाएंगे, डेली जो क्वेश्चन दिए जाएंगे, जो टॉपिक दिए जाएंगे, इसके भी आप शॉर्ट नोट्स इसी तरह आप सेग्रीगेटेड बना सकते हो। सो नोट मेकिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। यदि आप नोट्स ठीक से बना सकते हो तो ये जो फाइनल रिवीजन है इसके लिए बहुत काम आएगा। ठीक है, तो आप यलगार आप ठीक से फॉलो करोगे 2.5 महीना। ओके, देर इज नो नीड टू डू एनीथिंग अदर दैन यलगार। ओके, इफ यू फॉलो यलगार, ओके, सीरियसली एंड डेडिकेटेडली। ओके, सो ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर पेपर 2 preparation. Thank you.